What's up, guys? This is Witt with PragerU. Today we're at UT Austin, asking people if we should tear down the border wall. Let's do it. And guys, before we start this video, a lot of you guys who watch our channel aren't actually subscribed to the channel, so make sure you hit the sub button and hit the bell so that you never miss a new video. Do you think that we should be looking to tear down the border wall that was built?
Yes.
From a personal belief, I do believe we should tear it down.
I think the wall was kind of a horrible idea, and many people thought that from the beginning.
Everyone should have the opportunity to come. I don't really care that much if people come illegally or legally.
You think the wall's racist?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think there are better ways to manage immigration globally.
Yeah.
I don't think that was maybe the best way to do it.
I think that it is a very foundational, like, American thing, or just a human thing to be accepting, and that wall is just a symbol of non-acceptance, and that's something that I'm not okay with.
Would you say that you're fine with people like criminals and such coming into the country?
Well, obviously not, but I mean, obviously if people are coming illegally, you can't screen that, but I guess,
So would you want to stop criminals coming into the country?
well, yeah, but
You think a border wall would help stop them?
yeah, but I don't think I would want a border wall, so I think there are other ways, and I'm still all right with people coming illegally, really.
A lot of people, I don't know, this might be you, are just like open borders, let them all in, but you and I could both agree that there are some dangerous people outside of this country who would want to come in here. That's why I myself support a wall to stop illegal immigration, and then I support making it easier for people to legally come.
Okay.
What do you think about that?
I still disagree. I don't want a wall to be built.
Is what I just said racist, you think?
No. Because I understand you want to make it easier for other people to come, but, well, actually, yes, because I think the wall is racist.
I feel like I'm less racist for wanting to build a wall because I want to help people who are underprivileged or might not have the best opportunities by not letting them get undercut by people who want to take advantage of a system or who are criminals. Yeah, no, I'm a proponent of the wall. I think the wall was a good idea. I agree with you about fixing our immigration system. It is broken in a lot of ways and outdated and bureaucratic. But I'm personally, a fan of a wall to...
You can just stop the interview.
Yeah.
Okay. So like, let's say you have an apartment, house around here?
Yes.
Okay. Let's say you have your apartment, you're going to throw a nice big party, celebrate, I don't know, whatever.
Yeah.
You're going to celebrate. And 10 people are invited that you don't really know. And one of those people is a murderer. Are you going to let them all into your party? Or will you just say, I'm not going to let any of them in because one of them might be a murderer?
None of them, but that's my apartment. America's a country. Different situation.
So you're fine with letting murderers into America?
No, but, yeah, no. But
Fair enough.
I think I would give them the benefit of the doubt. People are much more complex than just simply murderers or simply drug addicts or drug dealers. Like, there's complexities to human nature.
So I agree with you. People are very complex, but that doesn't mean that I want their complexities in my apartment. Do you think we should tear down the border wall that we've already built?
No. Why would we do that? I mean, number one, that's a waste of money. Number two, the border wall was extremely effective. And number three, we've already seen that there's caravans of people coming in from Honduras and Guatemala, so we're going to need it, especially right now.
What do you think about when people say a wall is racist?
I think it's based completely on misinformation. The only reason that people think that it's racist is because they think we're trying to keep people out of a certain race. But that's just not true. We just can't have an overburdened system, or we won't be able to let anyone in. And we need to vet people appropriately, just like other countries do to us. It's just to make people safer and to make things work well. It has nothing to do with race or wanting people to not come into this country.
All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, share with your friends, comment your thoughts down below, follow me and PragerU on social media, and see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Awesome.
Did you learn anything?
Yeah, I learned how to do an interview without getting upset.
That's good.
Yeah.
That's good. Handling your emotions is an important skill to have.
It really is.
What's up, guys? Thank you so much for watching this video. PragerU is a 501c3 organization. Help us keep our videos free by making a tax-deductible donation today. I'd really appreciate your support.